Hello friends. Welcome to PGEUP Tutorials. Today we going for our 5th class of Camtasia Complete Learning course. In this class we are going to learn about behaviors. So friends, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update. So let's start. So this is the behaviors of the Camtasia. Let's check it how it works. Let's write something using annotations. Then drag and drop your desired annotation to the element. Check how it appears. We can also use more than one behavior on a single element. To delete an element, you will see a little arrow on the element. Just click on it, then select the behaviors that you want to delete, and press the delete button. Now I am going to different behaviors. Check how it looks. So these are the properties of the behaviors. We can get the different cool animations for our element using it. We are in the in properties, I mean how it appear on the screen. We can edit style, type, movement, direction, and speed. Now I am going to edit it one by one. Check how it is appearing. To reset the settings, just click on this button. The settings will reset. Now let's talk about the during of the behavior. It means the movement of the element when it appeared on the screen. Now I am going to edit it. Let's see how it looks. Now let's edit the out movement of the behavior. It means how the element will disappear from the screen. Let's edit it and check how it looks. Drag and drop some files to do some more editing. Then the file is less than the project window and it will appear like this. Pick it from the corner and increase the size. You can see the size is increasing from both sides equally. To increase the size freely, just press the Shift button and then resize it. Then apply a behavior. Check how it looks. From here you can scale up, down, increase and decrease the opacity of the element, rotate and change the position of the element. So this is the behaviors. We can make different animation using it. I hope you like the video. In the upcoming lecture we'll discuss further sections. And if you like our video, please like the video and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update from us.